For our American router tables, INCRA and JessEm, we have our purpose-built AUK router. It's a round-bodied router based on the old classic porter cable design, which fits within the bodies of these fantastic router lifts. We're going to come in a bit closer to look at some of the details. This is a round body fixed base router, 106mm diameter or 4¼ inch, which fits in the standard American, JessEm or INCRA lifts. This is available in two variations, either with on-off and speed control from underneath the router, or this one which has been pre-wired into the NVR box. With the NVR box we can turn him on, we can turn him off, emergency off, which is also isolation. We can also then clip him out, now he's safe to go on and off. Also from here we can control the speed, so we don't need to come underneath the router table for any of our adjustments. This style of NVR, which is fixed into the router, is particularly useful also if we have our router within something like the clean sweep box that we might have on the INCRA. Then it's a little bit difficult to control the router. You're going to have to get in here and turn him on and off and speed control. But if you have the pre-wired version we have, again we can isolate, we can on, off and speed control whilst leaving the box all closed up. The NVR box can either be fixed onto our router tables with our AUK plate, or you can screw this up onto the wall or unit that you've made for yourself. One of the advantages to a round-bodied router is it gives you easy access to changing your cutters or bits from above the table. Undo it with a pair of crank spanners, easily take that one out. The standard router comes with a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch collet, but we also do have metric collets available, so we can sell those into all of our European customers. Fitting the AUK router is very quick and easy into either JessEm or an INCRA lift, because they come set up from the factory for this standard 106mm or 4¼ inch diameter of the router. Just undoing with the supplied spanner and slip him out. You don't need to put him in once when you actually assemble it, but here we have the round-bodied router. This is our version 3 for 2020. The same metric or imperial collets, the same 106mm diameter body, but what we do have is new bearings, and this is running on 230 volts and runs on English and European power. This is the model which has the separate Nvr switch, or if you do have the standalone version, we have an on-off and speed control is normally underneath here. If you want to, you can buy a standalone Nvr switch which can control the routers on and off, and you can isolate, but you can't control with a standard Nvr switch the speed control as you can with our pre-wired version. If you're looking for a round-bodied router that'll fit our JessEm or INCRA or any of the American style router lifts, check out our website woodworkersworkshop.co.uk, linked in the description.